And after the third one, what would you say are your results?
So after the third one, I feel like I was I went back into virginity. After the third one, things were, I mean, there were so many more benefits than the
Mm,
urinary incontinence, but my initial focus was on the urinary
urinary
incontinence.
incontinence.
But then my husband started noticing the difference sexually, and of course he feels the things that I don't feel, but I
Yeah.
felt, sensation that I didn't normally feel. So if my our sex, it was enhanced. I have not had one UTI
TI.
since I have gotten those. I had to get three. So
Mm-hmm.
I got one per month
Mm-hmm.
on clockwork. Like every fifth of the month for 3 months, I came in and got the procedure.
Mm-hmm.
Because after the first one, you see the results from the first one. I'm like, oh, I cannot wait till the fifth. And after the third one, you think, if it's this good already, how good is it
Mm-hmm.
going to be after the third one?
Yeah.
And it just amazing, amazing results after the third one. And again, I used to get a UTI every month.
Wow.
And then after getting this veggie lift, oh my God, things, I'm telling you, I think I've told you several times before that you save marriages. I'm
Mm-hmm.
sure. Because when going through menopause, I was experiencing vaginal dryness,
Mm-hmm.
and I was experiencing things where I wasn't even in the mood, or it just didn't feel the same. So between coming to you to get my hormone replacement therapy,
Mm-hmm.
and along with that veggie lift, I think the two of those married together
Absolutely.
just makes life. It just make life, make you feel so much hope again. I think a
Mm-hmm.
lot of women going through menopause think that this is part of the menopausal process, and that we
Mm-hmm.
have to live like this and we have to
Mm-hmm.
deal with these things. But when there are remedies and solutions out there, it sometimes it's like, I don't care how much it costs, just give it to me. It's like
Mm-hmm.
you really want the relief, and you want to find something that works, and something that helps. And for
Absolutely.
you to tell me after these three, you probably don't need anything for 18 months to 2 years, and
Yeah.
we'll gauge it by how things are going and how you're
Yeah.
feeling, because
Yeah.
sometimes it could take even longer.
Longer.
So this is the holy grail. It's the holy grail of, aesthetics for
Mhm.
gynecology, and for
Absolutely.
us going through what we're going through, and knowing that we don't have to live like this. There are ways that we can turn things around. But my vaginal dryness is no more. The urinary incontinence is gone. And
Wonderful.
then the sensations during intimacy with my husband is just exponentially
Oh
so
my
much better.
God.
And I have you to thank for that.